Hello everyone, got a video here on how to store your weed eaters, leaf blowers, your riding mowers, your lawn mowers, your push mowers, and stuff like that. When you go to store them for the winter time, if you have a battery in them, you'll want to put like a trickle charger on them or a float charger. That way you can keep them charged up and they'll stay good for the winter. Or you'll want to take the battery out and put it inside where it's kind of warm. That way the battery will stay charged. Worst thing on batteries is extreme heat and cold. It'll drain the batteries, it'll ruin them. And the next thing you want to do is on your fuel system, on your gas, you'll want to have it treated on the 2-cycle stuff like your weed eaters, leaf blowers, and stuff like that. You can get your mixture for your gas that has the has the stabilizer in it. So you'll want to check on the bottles and make sure it has it. If you do that, you won't have to do anything else to them. So always look on your bottles and get it with a stabilizer in it. I always do, that way I don't have to do it when it comes wintertime when you put everything up. Another thing you can do is the little packs of stabilizer from Briggs & Stratton. You can get them, I think you can get them offline. And some lawnmower shops you go in and pick it up probably. This here little pack treats 2.5 gallons of gas. And it's really cheap. It's only about $2, I think. So you could mix that up. I always take and mix it up in a gas can before I pour it into your mowers and stuff. That way it's already mixed. Seafoam is another good thing. This can be used for many things. It's clean injectors, your carb jets, stabilizes the fuel, which is what we want it to do. You can mix it in with your oil or your gas, and this stuff works really good. For stabilizing though, you'll want to take and put 1 ounce of this per gallon of gas. So I would do the same thing here. I'd take and get you a gallon of gas, measure you out 1 ounce of this, and put it in your gas can and shake it up, and put it into your mowers or whatever. Or you can buy stabilizer like this in the bigger containers, and they have smaller ones also. And this here, you use 1 ounce, treats 2.5 gallons, just like the little packets do. It's cheaper to buy it this way. It'll last a lot longer if you use a lot of it. So this here works really good. Another thing you could do is drain all your gas out of your equipment. This won't work very well on your 2-cycle weed eaters and chainsaws. But on your riding mowers and your push mowers, you could take the gas out of it, drain all the gas out, take the bowl off the carburetor, and use WD-40. Take and spray this into your bowl once you get it back on, if you can. And this here will help keep the moisture out of it, plus it'll keep it from rusting up or getting what little gas residue there is. It'll turn into a gel and stuff, and it'll plug your carburetors up. This here will help stop it. So that's some ways that you can winterize your mowers and everything for winter time. So don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and hit that notification button. And have a great one, everybody. Bye.